Hey, what's up, crypto enthusiasts? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting crypto content. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated events in the crypto world, Bitcoin halving. All right, fellow hodlers, let's break it down. What's this halving buzz all about? Well, grab your pickaxe because we're mining knowledge nuggets today. Picture Bitcoin as a digital gold mine. Every 10 minutes, miners unearth a new block of treasure chests filled with shiny BTC coins. But here's the twist: the reward isn't constant. It's like Mother Nature herself coded this thing. Every 210,000 blocks, approximately 4 years, the reward gets sliced in half. Miners go from feasting on 12.5 BTC per block to nibbling on 6.25 BTC. It's like going from a feast at a medieval banquet to a snack-sized protein bar. Well, Satoshi Nakamoto, our crypto Merlin, wanted scarcity. Just 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. It's like owning a piece of the digital Mona Lisa. When halving hits, it's like a seismic shockwave. Miners tighten their belts and scarcity kicks in. Less supply, more demand. Basic economics, my friends. Historically, after each halving, Bitcoin's price moonwalks. In 2012, it did a little cha-cha. In 2016, it breakdanced. And guess what? We're gearing up for another halving boogie. But brace yourselves, past performance isn't a crystal ball. The crypto market can be as unpredictable as a cat on a Roomba. So don't bet your grandma's drain is real. Twitter erupts, memes flood Reddit, and even your grandma's talking about Satoshi. It's like Comic-Con for nerds. So what's your game plan? First, hodl like your life depends on it. Seriously, don't panic sell. Second, educate yourself. Read white papers, watch videos like this one, and level up your crypto IQ. And finally, throw a halving party, wear a Bitcoin-themed cape, dance the floss, and chant to the moon with fellow hodlers. All right, my crypto knights, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, Bitcoin halving isn't just math, it's magic. So stack those sats, stay curious, and may your wallets be forever full. Until next time, keep it cryptic. Peace out.